Your past doesn't define you, it prepares you. Don't be afraid of starting over. It's a chance to rebuild your life the way you want it all along. Sometimes it takes hitting rock bottom to realize there is no way to go but up. Your life is a reflection of your thoughts. If you change your thinking, you change your life. In every struggle, there's an opportunity. Look for the silver lining. You can't change the past, but you can create a new future. The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.